Hello friends, hi, my name is Sujit and today I'm here to review the application Asus Mini Movie Maker. Okay, so today I'm going to review that particular application. So let's start from downloading the application. So let's see how we can download it. All you need to click on the Play Store first and then just type in Mini Movies. So the first application that you see is the MiniMovie-Slideshow video from Zen UI Asus Computer Incorporates. I have already downloaded and installed it in my phone, so I don't need to do that. You have to do it. Okay, so if you want to check some important thing about this particular application, so it's the version 2.5 right now running, and it was recently updated on July 12th. So the best thing about the Asus applications are, they get a lot of update, and the feedbacks are taken. I definitely know about the feedbacks. It is taken into consideration for the application. So this is the application, that is Mini Movies. Here you can see on the fourth column, you just need to click on the application and that's the main screen, and this is the first interface of the application. So let's start with creation. Then we have the three dots for settings. There it is. You can check the settings, so you can play around with the settings if you want. And then is the banners. If there is any updates for this, you can check on the banners. Okay, now there are four icons on the top that looks like a bulb and downloads. So the bulb is the preloaded or uploaded by the Zen users. Okay, the Zen phone user or the user who use this particular application. They have uploaded some pictures or their movies or anything that they have created, like you see Happy Wedding. So they have created and they have uploaded it here. So if you want, you can view those. Okay, at the bottom we have movies, the most important part of this application, and slideshow. Then we have the store, and then we have invite friends. So invite friends, yeah, by the words it is pretty clear that we can invite our friends to use this particular application. Now we'll talk about movies and store. We'll go to store first. So store is a place where we have all the predefined themes. Okay, not all the predefined themes are already downloaded in this particular application. There are a few that you have to download according to you and your preference. So there we have Christmas, for New Year, for birthday, and the most important one, Valentine's Day. Yeah, and graduation for your dad, for your mom, for your wedding. So we have, this particular application consists of a wonderful set of predefined themes for all your perfect occasions. Then we go to slideshow. We have the same thing for tender, young, joyful, brightness, romance. So you can just go ahead and download. You just have the download button at the bottom of each theme. So you just click on that, just tap on that, and it'll get downloaded. You have the size available, and so that's the first motivational is 2.5 MB, so you can download that. Then you have the music. The third slide shows the music. If you want to download any music from here, you can listen to the music and download it. Similar way, you have the download button, you have the size, whichever is your preference, whichever you like, you can just go ahead and do it and download it. Now we'll go ahead and quickly create a small movie to show you how exactly it works. So I'll click on movies right now, and then all we need to do is select some pictures. So these are the pictures from the Bangalore Zen Meet. This was the first Zen Meet, I guess. Yes, it was the first one. Then we'll select some pics from here, some random pics. So we have 18 pics altogether. So this is, we'll wait for all the pictures to load. It does take a little time. You have to be a little patient. It's always good to wait for something good. So there are themes. These are the preloaded themes, that is birthday. I have downloaded that. Kids, romance, leisure, life, memory. So these are memories for me. I'll select memories and we'll wait for that. Now just below memory, I think you can see something that says 14. So the memory theme can consist of 14 pictures only, not more than that, but I have selected 18 if you remember. So how can we get those 18 pictures working? So what we'll do is we'll select something that is mix theme. So we'll mix two themes and get all those 18 pictures in one particular movie or a slide. So we'll click on mix, and there you can see a small pencil like icon. Okay, so we'll click on that to edit it. So there you see we have two themes automatically selected, that is memory and kids. So if you don't want kids, we'll remove that, and instead of kids we can use life. So by using memory and life you can get somewhere around 28 pictures. So we'll click on the tick mark on the top and we'll pause this. Now what there you can see just below the play button, okay, you can see there are 4 icons. So the first icon is about the pictures that we have selected. I have selected 18 pictures, but this particular, the 2 themes that I've selected can review or view up to 28 pictures. So they have multiplied the pictures. You can see pictures have been multiplied. There are 2 pictures. There you can see number 11 and number 14 are the same picture, and even number 9 and number 70. So there are some pictures repeated. So what if you want to change the sequence of the pictures? So if you want, for example, I want this picture to be the first one, so I can just press and hold it and get this as the first picture. Now what if I just want to check if picture number 15 is properly, there you can see this focus. So if you want to change the focus, all you need to do is click on the picture. You can see a small 4 square box. You can just click on that small square box in the center, and you can fix the focus of your camera. So wherever you want the focus to be, you can get the focus at that point of on that particular photo. So let's check on picture number 17. So this is if you want, you can change the focus of this particular image. So there are sometimes the photos will not be particularly properly synchronized, so you can use that. Okay, so if you want to check each pics, how they would look on the video, so you can just go ahead and click one by one and check. And if you find that any pic is not looking good, you can just go ahead and focus that particular image, or you can just go ahead and move and change and play around with these images. Now all you need to do is just click on the tick mark. Now we'll pause it again. Now the second one is the music icon. So if you want to change the music, you have some music here. If you want to download it from the MiniMovie, okay, from the MiniMovie application, we have some predefined to download. You can download that. These are the predefined one. You can listen to it. And the best thing about this, you can go to your gallery of your music. So there are so many music in my gallery, so you can use anyone from your music album, anyone, whichever you like. The only difficult part is you have to search around, and you have the search option on top. So yes, you can search it and you can just add it. Now we'll pause it and we'll check the third icon, that is the T, that is text. So there are few text on this particular theme, that is memory. So if you want to erase and edit it, you can just click on this pencil and edit that, and made us who we are. So we can just edit it and type it Zenfest. So we can just type Zenfest, and whatever you want, you can just go ahead and type and make personalize your video. So the most important thing about this application is you can personalize your videos according to your convenience. So the last one is for I'll not say for each and every one of us, but it is for professionals. So if you really want to get inside this application and try it the way you want it, this is for you. Yeah, you will take time to get to know of this particular part, because this is not that easy, I can tell you. Now you need to play around this, and I'll give you the opportunity to play around with this, because if I go and show you, it'll take a little time for me to show you. So I just don't want to waste time here review an application, but yes, I would request you, or I would give you the option to go ahead and try this. This is also wonderful. So this the A plus icon, you can just click on this and you can add text. So apart from the text that is available with the T icon, you can add more text to make it more personal. Okay, So there it is. Now what we can do is, if you want to add more pictures, on the top just beside preview you can see the picture mark with a plus. You can add pictures to your particular album. You can select any one, whatever you like. Let's go ahead and check if I have something. We'll select from somewhere else. Okay, so yeah, that's it. You can just select the photos from that particular place, okay, from your gallery. The other one is to refresh. We are familiar with this icon. And the third one is to save. So let's click on that. Now if you want to share the video right now, you can just use YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger. Now all the popular social networking websites and applications are available here. If you want to save it to your gallery or your draft, you can save it. If you want to name it, so this will be my first app review. Alright, so this is my first app review, so I'll name it that and I'll save it to my gallery. And if you want to really if you want to check this out, we'll check this video out at the end. Alright, so this is not working because I am already recording, but I'm recording this particular session, so it is not working. So this is how you just need to click on gallery and it will take some time and it will save. So if you want, we can watch the video here itself. Okay, so there we can see the text that I have changed. So now the theme is changing. So this is the theme that I've selected, that is life. Alright, so I'll pause this video here itself. So this is how you can use this particular application. I'll tell you, this application is really wonderful and you can use it in a number of times, because recently it was my brother's birthday and just forgot about that. So I used this particular application. I used some photos and used the birthday theme and just sent it to him, and he was really happy because it does make a little difference. So you have the Valentine's Day theme, so that's more important for young people, and you have for Father's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, and n number of themes that are available in this particular application. The predefined applications are for all occasions. So yes, you can just go ahead and download this. So I hope you guys like the video, and if you have any other questions, you can definitely ping down to me. I'll try to resolve the issue, and if you have any other questions, any queries, you can just comment below and subscribe to my channel. So that's it for now. I hope you like this video, and I'll give you the link for the complete video that I have created, and I hope that you'll like it. So thanks a lot. Thank you everybody. Hope you enjoy it.